everybody, it's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com, and we're in Los Angeles, California at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. I'm thrilled to be joined by Dr. Laura DiChiacchio, who is a leading cardiac surgeon. Dr. DiChiacchio, it is great to see you again, and thanks for being with me today.
Great to see you.
Yeah, so for the patients in our community, those in particular who have already had surgery, they may come out of a procedure, get an echocardiogram, and have some form of leakage in their aortic valve. And I say this because I was one of those patients. I had a successful Ross procedure, but on my first echo, I heard you have a little bit of leakage, a little regurgitation. Kind of took me by surprise.
Yes.
And I'm curious to know, for all of our patients in our community, what would you say to a patient like me or to them?
This is a very common scenario, and oftentimes the surgery was performed perfectly. And then hearing that there's a little bit of leakage is very stressful. To be honest, probably to patients and to surgeons who want everything to be perfect. But a small amount of leakage can be well tolerated for a long time. And you know, sometimes it never requires another intervention. And what's really important is that you pay attention to your follow-up. We keep a close eye on it. We make sure it doesn't progress. And if it does, then we talk about options. But I think the most important thing is not to worry too much and just make sure that you're diligent about keeping an eye on it.
No, I really appreciate what you said about ongoing surveillance. I'm guessing regular echocardiograms. And what I would like to share and give some hope to all the folks out there is, for me, it's been 20 years now. After I heard I had a little bit of regurgitation in my aortic valve, and I've needed no reoperation, no re-intervention, and I'm doing great. So, Dr. DiChiacchio, thanks for everything you and your team are doing to help heart valve patients here at Cedars-Sinai. Thanks for being with me today.
Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, it's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel, watch the next 2 educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.